We're just leaving Imlil in the shadow of Mount Iqbal. The view behind is pretty epic. We just stopped to try and be influencers and take some videos. And now we've got a huge leg with about 2,500 meters of climbing. Hello. Right, let's go.
So what you mean?
So this is us trying pistachio yogurt for the first time. It's bright green.
It's like Valletta, isn't it? You like really blend it with Valletta.
We've just descended, what, you said about 800 metres?
I think so, yeah. Cracking roads.
It was incredible. If I get into making this a vlog, I'll insert the footage now. We've got how much to go?
The guy in the shop's at 70 kilometres. I think that's the peak. Right, so then there's 40 kilometres of downhill after that as well, which...
If it's like that, I'm all for the downhill.
There you for it.
Right.
Catch you later.
It's also, how did that? I get 8.5 out of 10 actually.
It's a good yogurt. Slightly chemical though.
Yeah, pistachio success. We set off fueled by pistachio yogurt and had a few hairy moments on some gravel corners.
Watch the gravel. What? Whoops. Are we drift?
We were having fun until we were reminded of the brutal nature of the country we were in. further roadworks, this time experiencing one of the more shocking images of the trip. Little bit of an update. It is absolutely bloody toasty out there.
Tailwinds, no cooling.
Tailwind. I'd imagine what, mid-30s, low 30s?
Yeah, somewhere low. Well, actually, when we stopped in the breeze, it was quite pleasant.
Yeah.
It's just with dividing with the wind, it's really hot, isn't it?
Yeah. So we've stopped in like a shepherd's hut, picking up the meat that we had yesterday for lunch. Whack it in a bun, make it a sandwich. Thanks. And then carry on.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Big climbing coming.
And a big climb it was. How are we feeling, Jamie? About 9.5 out of 10 flat.
It's a good effort, eh?
Not completely flat.
Where are we? On the way up, Tizi N Test, nearly 1900 metres. There's a view.
The view is spectacular.
The view's amazing.
That way. Not that way.
This is a sweaty mess, isn't it, from both of us? It's a bit warm,
Yeah.
but we're nearly there. Camp in the dark.
Yeah, sweet.
Some cracking stars, hopefully the sky stays
Sweet.
clear.
Yeah. Right, let's get
Last
going.
push.
made it to the top. This is a kind of more private vlog entry. Just had a cold shower at 2,100 metres at the top of Tizi N Test after about 100 kilometres today, which is by no means the furthest I've ridden, but the speed at which Alex rides is pretty intense. He's fit, man, and he rides fast, and I was fucked. Fortunately, he pushed me up a bit. I'm not ashamed to say that, but it hurt, and I went quite a bit deeper than I'd liked. I think my heart rate stayed at about 170 beats for 4 hours. The view is absolutely epic though. We've got an awesome campsite which I'll show you. And that shower was epic. Drunk so much water but still feel dehydrated. When you get that sick feeling because you've just drunk so much fluid. A lot of bread and kebab is just it's heavy. But yeah, hopefully a good night's sleep in the tent. Warrant bringing all my kit, my pillow and my sleeping mat. But yeah, peace out guys. After setting up camp, we were both starving and couldn't wait to eat. We thought we'd have to eat our couscous, but fortunately we managed to get food at the refuge. You guessed it, tagine. But honestly that tagine was a blessing in disguise and turned out to be the best tagine of the trip. So good in fact, I'd give it a 9.9 out of 10. Kofta tagine is definitely the best tagine. With full bellies, we began the ascent of the short gravel climb back to where we'd set up our tent, ready for hopefully a restful night's sleep.
Hey, first night ride. Good job we bought the lights.
Day 3.
Day 3 in Morocco. I'm absolutely knackered, so I'm going to let Alex do the talking, I think.
All of it.
Well, not all of it.
We could flip the roles, you could just have little witty interjections. So, what have we done today? We rode down a big hill. Dropped down from Imlil where we were last night, so I think we lost 800 metres of climbing.
Pretty quickly.
Very quickly. Sending it through some nice French-built bends. Very good.
Some of the best roads so far.
Yeah, the best roads
so
far. It's quietened out a lot as well. It's remote now. Out in Morocco proper now. So we have climbed... Please don't step by. We've climbed Tizi N Test.
Tizi N Test.
Takes us to 2,100 metres. So it's been a pretty hefty day.
Alex pushed me.
We maybe cocked up our fuelling a bit, we reckon. So, Haribo, I think, are in order.
Yeah, something sweet.
Something sweet.
Sugar hit.
Sweet and easy. That's not Coca-Cola, because no one can drink more than a litre of that a day. I'm convinced of it. We are now a bit higher than 2,100, aren't we?
Yeah.
2,200 maybe? And we're on the edge of a cliff.
With a fire, with our tent set up behind us.
Everything, it seems. Yeah.
It's pretty epic. It's definitely one of the best campsites I've ever had in my life.
The best for me. And we've looked at the road back down. That is going to be...
It looks epic.
Entertaining, I reckon. Yeah.
Right, then we're going to let this fire die down and then head to bed.
Nice one. See you tomorrow.
See you later.
الله أكبر الله